Right. Stay in the car. Get in the car. In our truck. Go back. Turn around. Put your hands right in the back. Do it now.
What?
Do it now.
I ain't do anything,
Do it
man.
now.
I ain't do anything, dog. What you doing, man?
Step out, mate. Wait. You're trying to take my car. No, just give it to my car. Get up and get back in the car. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm moving. I'm not. I'm gonna get up. I'm not gonna touch him. I'm sorry. I'm not. I will get on the ground. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Can you open that door? He's right here. We're trying to get him out. Hang on. EMS here. My legs broke. Oh. Get out of the car. My legs broke. Get out of the car. Oh, my legs broke. 997.